Gina from WTI. Are you looking to tidy up your drawers, your cupboards, or anywhere around your kitchen that you might have half-used bags of things lying around? I've found these glass storage containers from ERISED to be perfect for all of those things. They're 39 ounces, which actually holds quite a lot. It holds almost the 2 pounds of raw sugar that my husband uses every single day in his coffee, and I am so happy to have this beautiful glass jar instead of the box that's usually hanging around my countertops. Let's talk about how gorgeous these are. I think that the bamboo lids are so pretty, and 3 of them come with little bamboo spoons that are super cute and hang on the side, and that's just perfect for my husband when he's making us tea and coffee in the morning. And I really like that for my salt as well, because I usually buy that in bulk, and it just makes it so much easier to be able to put it in this beautiful glass container instead of having to dip inside the bag all the time. Now, I hand wash all of my dishes, and I was very careful with these because they're glass, so anything that's glass can break easily, so you want to be careful with them. I love that when I take the lid off, I can hear the seal on these, and it shows me that they really are airtight. I'm very happy with these glass storage containers. I think that they work perfect for their purpose, and that's my point of view.